Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for me to duck out of the way and time for you to give a very, very warm welcome for Bright Lights!
Guess mine is not the first heart broken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. There's just no getting over you. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. my head is saying, fool, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end, and that's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. There were worse things I could do than go with a boy or two. Even though the neighborhood thinks I'm trashy and no good, I suppose it could be true that there are worse things I could do. I can flirt with all the guys. Smile at them inside my eyes. Press against them when we dance. Make them feel they stand a chance. Then refuse to see it through. That's a thing I never do. I could stay home every night, wait around for Mr. Right, take cold showers every day, and throw my life away on a dream come true. I could hurt someone like me out of spite or jealousy, but I don't steal it, I don't lie, but I can feel, and I can cry, a fact I bet you never knew. Been to cry in front of you. That's the worst thing I could do.
under the docks.
We stay up until 10 o'clock.
Summer fling don't mean a thing, all those summer nights.
Cause he sounds like a drag.
She got friendly down in the sand. She was good, you know what I mean. All you know me better, all the summer nights.
It's colder, that's where it ends.
So I told her we'd still be friends.
Then we made a true love vow.
Wonder what she's doing now.
Summer dreams ripped at the seams.
But those summer
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time, please, for the Bright Lights Theatre School. Fantastic effort.